Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Luna and Alex.
Hey travelers, are you planning a trip soon or dreaming about one?
Then today's video is perfect for you because we're learning English for travel. What to say at the airport, in a hotel, and in a taxi.
That's right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to travel anywhere in the world, speaking English confidently.
Even if you're a beginner, don't worry. We'll teach you step by step with fun examples and real conversations.
So, get your passports ready, grab your notebook, and let's start our journey.
Traveling is so exciting, right, Alex?
Absolutely. But it can be a little scary if you don't know how to speak English in different travel places.
Yes. You might need to talk to an airport officer, hotel staff, or taxi driver, all in English.
So today, we'll help you with 1. Words and phrases for the airport. 2. Useful English for the hotel. 3 phrases for taking a taxi.
And of course, we'll have practice conversations for each one, plus common mistakes and fun tips.
All right, let's start our first stop, the airport. Explanation plus examples.
Part 1. At the airport. Okay, imagine you just arrived at the airport. What do you say first?
You'll need some basic airport English phrases. Let's learn. At the check-in counter.
You might say, "Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight. Here's my passport and ticket. Can I have a window seat, please?"
The staff might say, "May I see your passport? Do you have any luggage to check in? Your flight will board at gate 12.
Let's explain. Check-in equals to register for your flight. Gate equals where you wait before boarding the plane.
Easy, right? Now let's listen to a small dialogue. Practice dialogue 1, at check-in. As staff. Good morning. May I see your passport?
As traveler, "Good morning. Yes, here it is. I'd like to check in for my flight to London."
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
"Yes, just one bag."
Great. Your seat number is 14A. Please board at gate 12.
"Thank you very much."
Nice and polite. Always say please and thank you. At security check.
Now it's time for security check. You might hear, "Please remove your laptop and liquids. Step through the scanner, please. You're good to go."
You can say, "Sure, here's my bag. Do I need to take off my shoes?" At boarding gate.
Before you board, you might hear announcements like, "Flight number 405 to London is now boarding at gate 12.
You can ask, "Excuse me, is this the gate for flight 405? When will the boarding start?"
"That's great. All right, time to fly."
Part 2. At the hotel. Welcome to our second stop, the hotel.
The moment you arrive, you'll need to check in again, this time at the hotel front desk. Checking in, you can say, "Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Luna. I'd like to check in, please. Is breakfast included?"
The receptionist might say, "May I have your passport, please? Your room number is 203. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Practice dialogue 2. Checking in. As guest. "Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Luna Smith."
As receptionist. "Welcome, Miss Smith. May I have your passport, please?"
"Sure, here it is. Is breakfast included?"
"Yes, it is. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Your room number is 203.
"Thank you so much." That was easy, right? Always be polite and smile. It helps a lot when traveling. Asking for help at the hotel.
Sometimes you need to ask for help. You can say, "Could you please send someone to fix the air conditioner? Can I have an extra towel, please? Where is the restaurant?"
And if you want to check out, "I'd like to check out, please. Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours?" Practice dialogue 3. Asking for help. "Hello, could you please send someone to fix the air conditioner?"
Of course, we'll send our staff right away.
"Thank you. And could I get an extra towel, please?"
Sure, I'll send it to your room.
See? Just use please and could you? Very polite.
Part 3. Taking a taxi. All right, our last stop. The taxi.
Yes. Whether it's from the airport to the hotel or back, you need some simple English phrases. Getting a taxi, you can say, "Excuse me, is this taxi available? Can you take me to the city center hotel, please? How much does it cost to go there?"
The driver might say, "Sure, hop in. It will take around 20 minutes. Would you like to use the meter?"
Practice dialogue 4. Taxi ride. Hello. Can you take me to Green Park Hotel, please?
Sure. Would you like to use the meter?
Yes, please. How long will it take?
Around 15 minutes depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Easy and friendly. Always start with a greeting and use please.
And remember, meter means the machine that shows the fare, the amount you pay.
Are you enjoying your English trip with us?
Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning adventures. Now let's keep going. Next up, common mistakes travelers make in English.
Common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Saying I want room instead of I want a room. Correct. I'd like a room, please.
Mistake number 2, saying, "Give me water." Correct. "Can I have some water, please?"
Mistake number 3. Where bathroom? Correct. Where is the bathroom, please?
Mistake number 4, forgetting please and thank you. Always use them. They make your English sound kind and polite.
Mistake number 5. Using how much time? When you mean, how long will it take? Correct. How long will it take to reach the airport?
All right, let's quickly review today's travel English journey. At the airport, I'd like to check in for my flight. Can I have a window seat, please? When will the boarding start?
At the hotel, I have a reservation under the name. Is breakfast included? Could you please send someone to fix the air conditioner?
In a taxi. Can you take me to the city center, please? How much does it cost? Please use the meter.
You did amazing today!
And now it's time for your travel English challenge. Write a short dialogue using English in one of these places. 1 airport, 2 hotel, 3 taxi. Post your script in the comments below, and we might feature your example in our next video.
Tell us in the comments, where would you love to travel next?
And what English phrases do you want us to teach in our next travel video?
Thanks for watching, travelers!
You're learning English step by step, and now you can travel the world confidently.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning with Luna and Alex.
See you in the next lesson, maybe in Paris or Tokyo.
Bye for now and safe travels.